Okay, Eric, so what's going on with this Silverado, man?
So pretty much we just finished it off. Right now it's a little taken apart, but it came in with a misfire on cylinder 3. To start off, we swapped out plugs, coils, still misfire on cylinder 3. We went as deep as swapping out injectors, and misfire was still there. So then we dug a little deeper, did a compression test, came out fine. Leak down test came out fine. So then we had to wait on approval for an actual teardown. After teardown, we found that one of the lifters had failed, pretty much scored the camshaft. After that, pretty much did a whole rebuild, swapped out camshaft, lifters, lifter rods, whole new gaskets. Not gonna be fun.
I was born ready.